So this is my review of the Nature Box. I've already gone in here and tried things out. So what I got was banana bread granola, Pistachio Power Clusters, Big Island pineapple, dark cocoa almonds, and whole wheat figgy bars. This is the card you get when the item you have chosen is not in stock. It says one or more of your chosen snacks was substituted, blah blah blah. So that's the card you don't want to see. Okay, so let's get right to it, no fuss. Dark cocoa almonds. Okay. Dark chocolate, not too bitter. Maybe a few of them, 4 or 5 maybe, and you're good. So the next one, Big Island pineapple, and that's what it looks like. It's not super dry, sort of flexible and chewy, and they're sweet. And they're good. That's what I try to do with my selection is get some fruit, get some nuts, get something with chocolate, get something savory. Next, pistachio clusters. This was the substitute. Basically, almonds, cashews, pistachios that they've sort of fused together with like a syrup of some kind, whatever. But they're good. You know. Next we have the banana bread granola. This is basically banana flavored granola with raisins. But I don't taste the banana. It just tastes like regular granola. Good granola. Tastes good. But I don't really get the banana. Crunchy. Sweet. And last we have the whole wheat figgy bars. You get 5 of these bars. Each bar is 1.5 ounces. And this is good for like a breakfast. The wheat dough that's covering the fig really tastes like a whole wheat bread, like a slice of whole wheat bread. It's not too sweet. It has that wheat, strong wheat flavor. So there you have it. But this is the more substantial item from this batch. I mean, you have one of these in the morning with tea, coffee, milk, whatever, and you're pretty much good to go. It's good. It's better than a fig Newton. Healthier, more substantial. Overall, I think it's good. I'm going to stick with Nature Box for now. This is my first box. So, there you have it.